Get your groove on and put on those sports shoes. Tonight we're gonna draw the NFL superstar Kickity Kicker 3000. The Kickity Kicker 3000 is a robot created by Widgets, programmed to teach people a lesson about cheating. I saw that in one of the episodes. This guy's a fast action battler. I'm not talking about the Transformers, I'm talking about the show that he's in. To be honest, I've been a fan of the NFL series for quite some time. I watch the show with my dad every season. Alexa, what is the NFL?
The NFL regular season will start on Thursday, September 8th, 2022.
Alexa, what is the definition for NFL?
NFL is usually defined as National Football League.
Alexa, stop. Every year with my dad and grandpa, we watched the International Super Bowl. It was really a fun sporting event that we often watch together. There's the halftime shows, there's these premieres on new movies, the taste of mozzarella, sparkling grape juice. I haven't tasted that in months. I gotta get my hands on that again. Let's see. I'm thankful for doing this. Alexa, play Make Your Move.
Make Your Move by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Woo! Is everybody ready to move like the PJ Masks? Okay then, make your move. Want to run like Catboy?
And done. That's a draw the Kickity Kicker 3000.
Power up and blast. Run on the spot. Super cats can't give it all you got. Run on the spot.
Now let's play ball.
Don't you stop.